everyone. As you can see, we're at Presentation Assembly. It's Friday the 16th of December 2022. It's here to celebrate all those children in year 5 and 6 who've earned them Presentation Assembly certificates. It is amazing. You're not going to see a great deal of me at all, but you'll just see amazing children earning certificates throughout this term. So super job, everyone. So let's kick off with our top 3 in each class with house points and see how many house points these children have been earning. As you can see in year 5, Miss Musselwhite, we've got Joseph on 62, Berin on 80, and Marshall on 86 house points, no less. A huge number of house points. So well done, you 3. Fantastic effort. Keep it up next term. But Miss Arthurton's, we've got Mahia 62, Jakisha on 68, and Fiona on 69. Again, a huge number of house points. Well done, you 6. Big smiles on your faces. You should be smiling, earning that many house points. So really well done. You've clearly worked so hard, and I'm sure we'll see some of you appearing in a moment to get certificates as well. So well done, you guys. In year 6, look at year 6's top 3 as well, earning just as many. So we've got Claudia on 61, we've got Mia on 78, we've got Alana on 79 house points, a huge number of house points. So just above Mia there, Alana, so well done by 1 house points. And then Miss Percy's, oh my word, we've got Amelia, 94, Riley, 95, and Olivia on 103. 103, amazing. You should be smiling, guys. So really well done. Enjoy these moments. We give a massive shout out for you guys, and I'm sure we'll see you shortly as well, receiving some certificates as well. So well done. Start off with our year 5 exuberant English stars. Thank you for that, Miss Musselwhite. Superb. So we've got Jayla, we've got Mahia, we've got Summer, and we've got Fiona. We see some of those children already from those top 3 of house points. I thought they'd appear somewhere. So really well done, guys. Thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. Keep working hard, because you have produced some amazing English, and it's lovely to see some of it on that proud wall as well. So well done. On to our year 5 radiant reading stars. They're radiant indeed and rapid, and they are really amazing reading stars who read every single day. Not only are you going to get a certificate, but you'll get a reading book to take home as well. So we've got Emily, we've got Bailey, and we've got Daniel, and we've got Alexis. So really well done, guys. Keep up that reading and tell me all about your new reading book when you come back after Christmas. So well done. Our year 5 masterful math stars. Masterful indeed, doing maths mastery. They certainly are. Not only that, they're times table rock stars as well, and all the maths that they do. So we've got Angel, we've got Lila, we've got Tyler, and we've got Tia Rose, who've worked so hard on their maths. Guys, you should be smiling. You're getting to take your maths certificate home with you today. You absolute superstars. So really well deserved, and well done in your maths throughout this term, actually. Well done. And year 5 savvy science stars. Yes, they are savvy and smiley science stars. Look at them. They've got such smiles on their face. You've got Byron, Savannah, Regan, and Reese, who've worked so hard throughout in science. Amazing amount of science that's gone on throughout this term as well. So well done, guys. Yes, you should be smiling. You get to take your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. On to our gifted geography stars. They certainly are gifted. They're gifted in many ways. You've got Charlemagne, we've got Lola, we've got Caius, and we've got Mandy. Again, huge amount of geography going on throughout this term as well. These guys are absolutely on it though. They know lots and lots, being really inquisitive and asking lots of questions, as well as answering them as well. So well done, you 4. Enjoy taking certificates home with you today, you superstars. Phenomenal PE stars. They certainly are phenomenal. They are physically active every moment of the day. That's not just in their PE and their game lesson, but break and lunchtime. You should see them out there on the playground. It's amazing. So we've got Emma, we've got Jaden, we've got Milana, and we've got Christopher. Really well done. Listen, guys, just keep being physically active over Christmas as well, because it's fantastic. It'll keep you well and set you up ready for the new term for your PE and your games lesson. So well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Massive thumbs up, Christopher. Well done. On to year 6, Miss Percy, Miss Davison's. Look at these English stars. We've got Sapphire, we've got Alicia, we've got Ivor, and we've got Alex Jaden, who've worked so hard on their English throughout this term. Really well done. Really massive shout out to you guys. Keep it up throughout next term as well. Just keep working as hard as you can in your English lessons. Well done. And our reading stars. So these guys, not only will they be taking their reading certificates home, but they'll also be getting a reading book as well. Oliver, we might have to sort out and help out there. I know that what the activities you were doing there, but you might need to take those off to help you with your reading when you get your new book. So we've got Oliver, we've got Blake, we've got Reese, and we've got Lily Louise. So well done, guys. Really proud of you. Massive amount of reading going on already. Enjoy your new books when you take them home as well today. You superstars, well done. And Miss Percy's here, Mr. Davison's mathematicians. Look at these guys. They have worked feverishly in their maths and improved their scores at no end this term. So really, really well done. So you've got Bella, Alana, Tyler and Sienna who are working so hard on their maths and actually really enjoying their maths. I know massive smiles there as well. You should be smiling. You've got your maths certificates, you superstars. So well done. And our scientists, look at these scientists again, working so hard. You've got Mason, you've got Jessica, we've got Botan, and we've got Racer, who've worked so hard on their science throughout this term as well, and did some amazing drawings of some of the things as well that they've been working on. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking this certificate home with you today, you superstars. And our geography stars, look at these geographers. Look, so we've got Lily, we've got Ruben, we've got Jerry, and we've got Michael. Again, massive. Guys, you should be smiling. You've just won yourself geography certificate, so really well done. Enjoy taking these home today, you superstars, and carry on with that geography next time as well. Well done. Now, our PE stars, look at these guys with their physical education. Now, these guys have done really well, especially in my games lessons as well. So I've been working them really hard on their fitness. So we've got Bentley, we've got Jack, we've got Abby, and we've got Jack. Working so hard. So keep it up, guys. You know, keep up all those exercises as well over Christmas. Remember, teach your family as well, because you don't need anything for it. A little bit of space, a little bit of time. So let's get everyone active over Christmas as well and see if you can then spread that word and enjoy taking your PE certificates home with you today, you superstars. Really well done. Well done to all those children. We've got a whole new tranche of golden ticket winners who've won golden tickets this half term. So let's give a shout out to all those children. Here we go. So we've got Joseph, we've got Lexi, we've got Mason, we've got Mia, Savannah, Bailey, Alana, Dylan, Angel, Byron, Ivor, Lena, Regan, Mandy, Andrea, Bentley, Thea, Oscar, Madison, Subhan, Millie, Khaleesi, Bella and Jessica. Be no surprise, some of those children have earned themselves certificates today as well. So really well done to all those children. If you haven't won a golden ticket yet, don't worry, they're back in 2023. New golden tickets coming in 2023 for all those children who haven't won one yet. So real chance there in the new year. So come on everyone, copy these children. Final message this morning, obviously school closes today, Friday the 16th of December at 3:15, ready for our Christmas holidays. What an amazing autumn term we have had. And just a massive thank you to all the parents for all of your support, for everything you've done. So thank you so much, guys. It's much appreciated. Really look forward to 2023. Talking of which, back to school is Tuesday, the 3rd of January 2023, we are open again. Monday is the bank holiday, so gates will be open at 8:30 on Tuesday, the 3rd of January 2023. All that's left for me to say, have a fantastic Christmas holiday, have a wonderful festive period, wrap up warm, keep safe, and until Tuesday, the 3rd of January, bye-bye now.